The employer Transnet's bid to halt the strike action has proven to be unsuccessful, with workers' unions UNTU and SABC are saying they're now united and resolute on an impactful downing of tools come Monday. Transnet operates South Africa's freight rail network and all the country's ports. The strike action has the potential to affect economic activity across many sectors. The two unions boast over 50,000 workers at the company. The unions say the strike on Monday meets all the labor relation requirements. The workers are demanding a 12% salary increase, while the employer is offering 4%.
The case was struck off the roll today earlier on by the court, and we do not know what exactly the employer was saying, because their reasoning was basically saying that our strike is illegal and protected. As SABC, we did everything through the bargaining council for the attention of the employer. We made sure that we gave the employer the 7-day period. We also made sure that the employer is given the 48-hour notice. We also sent our picketing rules to the employer, and we are discussing those rules today, and we are going to be signing those rules today. And indeed, on Monday, the strike has been declared legal and protected.
Striking UNTU members have accused Transnet of intimidation tactics following its decision to approach the courts in order to stop the strike.
Our members was not deterred. They were intimidated by the threats from Transnet, but they were not deterred. They stood their ground, they followed the leadership, and now we are where we can go out in full force as soon as the picketing rules are established to really show the resolve of the employees.
In Cape Town, workers heeded the call to down tools, with more demonstrations expected on Monday.
The cost of living went up a lot. Bread went up, the basic food that we are eating went up, and that's the reason why we are striking.
We know that even if we get in salaries, but most of us, our salaries are so low.
The strike, it is legal, but Transnet is saying that the strike is illegal because of the picketing rules.
The workers at Transnet have taken the opportunity to also slam the employer over that move to apply a force majeure process, which they say amounts to the company evading taking responsibility. The unions say this is not surprising, as the employer has been negotiating in bad faith.
The whole strategy around Transnet's wage negotiation approach seemed to have been delay upon delay upon delay. So after the strike commenced, Transnet did start threatening employees with it is unprotected, they are going to interdict us, they are going to take disciplinary action. So naturally the employees were scared. It is not a good faith bargaining characteristic to start threatening employees when they exercise their democratic and constitutional rights to strike.
The workers now have the green light from the courts over the downing of tools and are hopeful that this will force the hand of the employer to give in to their wage demands. SABC News, Johannesburg.